touch the sea. Pohnpei nights know the truth in me. I smile for the world, but the pain stays strong. Heavy in my heart, so I turn it to song. Promises broken, trust falling down. Still I wake up when the sun come around. Life keep testing, but I hold my ground. Even wounded souls still make a sound. I talk to Jah in the quiet night, turn my tears into rhythm, wrong into right. When the world feel heavy, I don't run away. I sing my pain, let the music stay.
Still I stand, still believing through the lies and the hard seasons. From my island heart to the open sky, I bend, I break, but I don't say goodbye. Still I love, still alive. With this song as my truth, I survive.
I hold on longer than I should have done. Gave my heart when the love was gone. Secrets kept, truth denied. Still I tried just to keep us alive. But pain teach lessons comfort can't show. Show me my strength when I let things go. Now every scar got something to say. Every wound sing freedom to me. I share my story, I let it be free. Found my healing inside of me. What tried to break me make me strong. Now my life beats steady like reggae drum.